Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to transfer call from iPhone to Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do before you can transfer your call from your iPhone to your Apple Watch, you must pair your Apple Watch and your iPhone together. So that when you have an incoming call on your iPhone, it's going to come up on your Apple Watch. Now, pick up the call on your iPhone. For you to be able to transfer this call from your iPhone to your Apple Watch, all you need to do is this. Come to your Apple Watch, unlock it, then click on the phone icon, and you should see that you have a call on your Apple Watch, and then the call is as well on your iPhone. Now, to transfer the call from your iPhone to your Apple Watch, all you simply need to do is click on this transfer button on the Apple Watch. Then it should say transfer call to Apple Watch. Now go ahead and click on yes. There you go. Then you see the call on your Apple Watch. And if you come back to your iPhone, you discover that the call is here. Then the call is now back to the iPhone. To take it back to the Apple Watch, repeat the same thing. Click on the transfer button at the top right. Then select yes. So you can just reduce the volume. And then you see the call is no longer visible on your iPhone. Now go to your Apple Watch to increase the volume and start using your Apple Watch instead of your iPhone. So that is exactly how to transfer calls from iPhone to Apple Watch. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.